Hello there, this is my unboxing of the grab bag I purchased. First ever saber here. So my very first saber. I am not up to date with the types yet, but pretty excited. It's got the blue switch here. Got the CoverTech wheel that I asked for. Not sure what kind of blade, but it looks pretty good. And yellow. That is pretty sweet. It might be orange too. It's kind of hard to tell, but either way, how exciting! Got in the box here. We'll do a proper review later when I know more about it, play with it a little more. Peanuts! Should have, there's my blade plug and my clip. And I believe that's it in there. Oh yeah, I'm excited to play with it.